In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a Facebook account. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. To report an account, you first have to locate the account, whether the account user is your Facebook friend or just a Facebook user. Whichever option falls in your category, you have to navigate to the top where you locate the search icon and tap on it. Then proceed to select the account. In this case, I'm going to select this account, for instance. So when you locate the account, proceed to tap on these 3 dots. So you have a list of menus. Proceed to select on report profile. So Facebook has prompted you that you should help them understand what is happening, whether that person is exhibiting hate speech or the person is uploading nudity or sexual content or for any other reasons. So whichever option that best suits you, you proceed to select it. So let me just tap on something else, after which you should proceed to tap on done. And congratulations, you have successfully reported this account on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.